Hello everyone, I'm Mike Anderson from Collision Advice, and this is my great friend Danny Gredinberg from the DEG. And we are so excited to be working with SCRS to bring you a brand new series of quick tips to help you to boost your business.
Today we're going to talk about fabricating templates for the installation of adhesive emblems. This may be an indicator of a poor repair by installing the emblems in the wrong location if you're using the old school method of using your thumb or just placing it where you think it might go. So we're going to get away from that. So some of the OEMs are diving deep by creating specific repair procedures that may be detailed by having measurements, a location, and it could be a 2, 3, 4-page document just to install an emblem. Some manufacturers just make a simple document, and one of the key things is fabricating a template. Did you know that fabricating a template may be a not included operation? Well, this was again identified in recent DEG inquiries as well as some updates to the P pages. So again, it may be a not included operation if the OEM specifies the need to fabricate a template. Follow the OEM procedures. If it identifies to fabricate a template to install the emblem in the correct position, that may lead to a better and correct repair. If you find these tips helpful, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment below for any future suggestions. Thank you for watching.